In a vibrant forest, where the sun shone bright and the leaves whispered secrets, lived Towhee, a small bird with a heart full of dreams. Towhee was known for his tireless work, building nests for the other forest creatures. One day, Towhee noticed a family of squirrels without a proper home. They lived in a hollow tree, but the tree was old and weak, and soon it would fall. Towhee felt a pang of sympathy and decided to help. Towhee worked day and night, gathering twigs, leaves, and mud to build a new home for the squirrel family. The other animals watched in admiration, some even offering a helping hand. However, as the days passed, Towhee began to tire. His wings ached, and his beak was sore from collecting twigs. But he persevered, driven by the thought of the squirrels living in safety. One day, as Towhee was about to place the final twig, the old tree groaned and fell, sparing the squirrel family. The forest animals gathered around, watching as the squirrels thanked Towhee profusely. Towhee smiled, feeling a sense of satisfaction. He had built a home, saved a family, and in the process, he had learned the importance of selflessness and perseverance. From that day forward, Towhee continued to build nests for the forest creatures, but he also learned to take care of himself. He realized that while it's important to help others, one must also nurture their own strength. And so, the tale of Towhee, the builder, teaches us that while helping others is a noble deed, it's equally important to take care of oneself. For in caring for ourselves, we become stronger and more capable of helping others. And in helping others, we not only make the world a better place, but we also find a sense of fulfillment and purpose. Moral: selflessness and perseverance are important virtues, but it's equally important to care for oneself, for in doing so, we become stronger and better equipped to help others.